Where to get in, where to get in, that's the question. Buy it here in the breakout? I do not. I think that, I mean, it's a breakout. Keep your risk low. It looks good. It's just now reaching the breakout point. I don't like doing breakouts, man. I hate doing breakouts. But I will take a small risk once it tests. If there's a red bar ignored.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going to go for it.
Order submitted.
Right under there. I'll keep it right there. I can handle that. See if it keeps going. I'll try to get a 1-to-1 on it. We'll see if it keeps going, though. It's a big run, man. Ah, come on, keep going. There's plenty of room to go to the previous day's high. Plenty of room. If it comes down below this red bar ignored right here, it's going to stop me out. I'm willing to give the momentum that. I've seen these candles before, though. They tend to not necessarily hold. These kind of candles like this, a lot of times they just come crashing right back down. It'd be nice to see this one not come crashing back down. Why are we going long? Because everything is, I'm practicing the entries right now on this demo account. Everything's bullish. I mean, look at all these charts. They're all going up. Why would we not go up with it? There's 1-to-1.
Order filled.
I'm going to take it. I mean, for the longest, I couldn't even hold for 1-to-1. And I think I'm getting pretty much better at that now. I'm finally there. Like 1-to-1 is pretty much not without even thinking. Like I don't typically and won't take profit before that. I won't move my stop to break even before 1-to-1's hit. I won't, do anything. If 1-to-1's not hit, I'm just going to take the full loss. But so I've gotten that far. Now the next thing is to hold for 2 or 3 to risk. I gotta get
order canceled.
That's the next thing. And like I said, this candle is suspiciously strong. Like it's already ran up overnight. If you take a look at this day chart here, it already ran up. And it can engulf previous day. And it probably will. But at this point, as soon as the bell opens, after running up this high, I suspect it's going to do some pullback before it makes another run. I would suspect it pulls back before it makes another run. So I'll take the 1-to-1. I only took the breakout because it looks so good. And a lot of times when it looks that good, everybody's watching it, and that's when the market slaps you down. So there's where we entered in long, and there's where we got out, 1-to-1. After such a big run up, I'm not going to get greedy with it. Oh, I am waiting to see what it's going to do. Yeah, That looks suspiciously, I've seen those candles. I've seen those candles like that after a big run up and you get a candle like that. That's what I'm saying. If it's already been a big run up, like it has been, and then you get a candle like that at the top, see, I'd already be back on break even. It would hit break even. Let's see if it would have stopped me out for a full loss if I didn't take that 1-to-1. Very curious. That's already been a nice little run up. All right, coming close to my stop. Had I not taken that 1-to-1, I'm so glad I did that. With the experience is just, thank God for experience. Finally getting some experience under the belt. What is that? Oh. I want to see it come back a good bit before I try to get in this thing. I'm still bullish. Obviously, you got to be bullish. I wouldn't think about shorting this in any way. Very close to stop loss. If I would have not taken 1-to-1, where is it? Is it going to hit stop? Oh, it would have stopped me out for a full loss. Take that $400. It's at the top of a high range, and these candles, when these candles happen at the high of a run, I'm not saying it can't keep going. I'm just saying I wouldn't be surprised if it gets taken out. Here's a consolidation. And I can't go short yet because my higher time chart is still very bullish. So that's something I need to learn. Wait for both charts. Wait for everything to agree. Wait for everything to sync back up. And that sinking may be on the bullish side. Who knows? Now, you know that candle was just saying, I dare you to go long. I dare you to go long. Mm-hmm. We know. We know. We got you figured out. I dare you to go long. Oh. Yep. The big slap down. Looks like an interesting short opportunity. Like that. I like these two candles together like that. A red engulfing candle and then a pintail to the downside. Let's see what happens over here. I wouldn't be surprised if it gets a 1-to-1 on it. Let's see what happens. It already would have triggered in. 1-to-1 would be down here. I don't like selling with the 5-minute like that though. Trying to sell the 5-minute when it's at 50% on a strong candle, bouncing off moving averages. I mean, yeah, it could work. Exponentially speaking, it looks like it definitely wants to grab something. We could change our risk to this red bar, this green bar now. Here with me. Looks like that wants to sell off for sure. I wouldn't blame anybody for trying to sell that. Now that you got this nice pattern on the higher tick chart, do it up higher. Yeah, do it up higher. Do it up higher. Oh, it would have stopped out. The next stop area is this one. Ooh, nasty. Glad I didn't do it. Glad I didn't do it. So that's a nice, yeah, that's a good move to the upside to get back long again. Yeah.
To me and my family on Friday, but I think all those orders are gone. Okay, so are there any orders? Let me just make sure. Orders, cancel all orders. Okay, so one successful trade locked in already today. Like I said, that was my goal, 250. And on 3 of these 5 accounts, so on 2 of them, I ended up making money last Friday. So that means I was able to get payouts, like official payouts from Lucid last Friday. Like just for the sake of transparency, let me show you right here on Friday, boom, 6,000. So that was 2 accounts at 3,000 each. And then today, since I already locked this in, that means I'm already good to go on the other 3. So that's 3 plus 3 plus 3. That's 9. So I will be requesting another $9,000.
Price went today. Over so the point you were looking for.
6,000 on Friday. Another 9 will be coming in today.
And that thing
Locked
is cooking.
I'm not trading Lucid. You know what? We're going to be shutting that down. We're going to turn these off. I'm going to disconnect.
Cooking, cooking, cooking. Look at that thing go. Right there's your red bar ignored. Why don't you get in it? Afraid to lose? Afraid to lose, huh? The momentum is kicking good. It couldn't sell off. Boom, boom. Couldn't sell off. When you get that can't sell off and then a strong move up. I mean, that's good momentum to get at least a 1-to-1 on this red bar ignored here. I bet you can get a red bar ignored move on that. Yeah, I bet you it goes right to that 1-to-1 reward. After that strong move like that. Okay, there's your second chance to get in it. Second chance to get in it is a cheaper price, cheaper price, cheaper price.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'll take it. Let me see what's going to happen here. At least I didn't take it at that high
Stop
up.
filled.
All right, well that's okay. I would have probably tried to take that trade, but I got it at a cheaper price, so that's good, actually. That's the best place to get in it right there. So let's practice getting in at a better place. That's 50% pullback. Yeah, look at that 5-minute now. Oof. Well, you didn't want to keep going, did you? Why do I have two 15-minute charts?
Order filled.
Let's try this. Hopefully it won't keep jacking me around. All right, we're trying it again. Let's see. Stop out. Are you going to hit me? Get up there, rascal. Put on the right mindset. You don't care if you lose as long as you take good trades. Don't move your stop. Take as many good trades as you can. Oh, finally warmed up. I noticed that sometimes I'm afraid to get in when the market's really moving good and strong. And then when I finally get the courage to move in, the market slows down. So that's got to be broken. I got to get in when the market's moving really, really good.
Stop filled.
Okay. So what's the problem? Well, it's just slowed down. I took it when everything went right back over the moving averages. Nice little trend line break. It started to take off, but just failed. So let's take a look at the next. If it remains bullish on the higher tick chart, on the 5-minute, on these two charts, everything's bullish, then we'll get back in it. We're going to keep getting in it as long as the higher time charts are agreeing and bullish. Unless we identify just a sideways choppy market. Sometimes it takes a lot of losses to figure that out. Come on, what are you going to do? It can really, really get you, grind you up with trend line breaks. See them. It's just kind of grinding, chopping a little bit lower here. So I probably want to see it break over the top, consolidate, and keep pushing if it doesn't go too quick. There's the breakout. Let's see the red bar ignored here on this case. I don't want to just jump on that red candle. Let's get a bounce off the trend line and then pop out of this consolidation area. Make a higher low here. Make a higher low. Don't come down too far, and then push up over the top of the red. Okay, that's as long as it goes over the top.
Order
See if it'll
submitted.
go over the top here. With any kind of speed. That'd be great. Back to the high is a good target. Let's see what happens on this trend line if it can hold over it. Looks like it does not want to do. Now it's making a lower low here. Don't like that. Not interested in that.
Order canceled.
Just, there's another little tick lower. So that's what it's doing right now. It's just messing with people with fake breakouts and just ticking lower just a little bit. That's why I want to see a consolidation proof push over the top. Yeah. But then again, it likes to do this and then just take off without any chance to get in. So that's just the NASDAQ. Yeah, I did the same thing here. Fake break, ticked lower, and then took off. Try to get this red bar ignored here, and it failed. Try to get the first breakout, it didn't work. And that's where we're at so far.
Where we disconnect it. You know, sometimes you got to protect yourself from yourself. And that's what I did. So that's why I just disconnected it, because I already got my profit target. All I needed was 250. I got the.
Well, here it is. Breaking out, but it's not giving us a chance to get in it with the red bar ignored.
Order filled.
All right, let's see if it keeps going. Keep going. We had a red bar ignored. See if it'll keep going. Try to get 2 to 1 on it this time. I don't know, man. It's already so high. There's a target up here. We could try to hit that target over here. Up there at the top. It's going to have to break 25,000 to get there. So if that's truly where it wants to go, then it'll be close to a 3 to 1, actually. I could try a 3 to 1 on this if it wants to get to that high. If it comes back down and stops me out, though, on this red bar ignore, that's going to hurt again. But that's just the way it goes. At least I have the courage to get in it now. That's fine. It's just got to keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Stop filled.
Alrighty. Well, I mean, maybe I gotta try those. I don't know, maybe this bar is looking, how's it looking over here? And those candles on the top, what's it doing? What's my best option here? It's just, what's the pattern? These fake red bar breakouts, once it gets to that level, keep getting me. Well, at least the second time. That's the second time. Try a 3-bar reversal, maybe. That might be what I need to do. Switch to 3-bar reversals. Those look like they're working at the bottom levels. Yeah. This is completely different than a trend line break or a moving average strategy. But you get it at a much lower price. You don't have to wait for the breakout.
Order
All
filled.
right, I'm gonna try it again here. It could stop. It could eventually get to that target and just keep stopping me out on the way up. That would suck. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, that's called a bad day. That's called a bad day. But you do need to be flexible. You do need to figure out how to be a little bit flexible when the market is doing something outside your primary trading strategy. You should have a couple of trading techniques in your playbook, not just rely on one. That you really trust, of course, and it might not be a bad idea to take 1-to-1s right now and just take some profits in this condition. So there's also times to do that, like I did earlier. I took that 1-to-1 and I would have got stopped out of it. So maybe that's what I need to do right now as well. Stop trying to get a big run. I got to get at least 1-to-1 on it though. If I'm getting stopped out for a full stop, I got to get a profit for a full profit. So let's see what happens. I can't get out without a full profit. Got to get at least a 1-to-1 on it. Don't really like what I'm seeing on the higher tick chart. No. Just sideways, man. Momentum has definitely died out of it. Should have took... It's hard to take it. The candle moved too dang quick on that right there. It went too fast. The best trade went too fast. The speed of it was too fast. Go ahead, stop me out. I don't care. I'm going to get back in the next best trade you got. I'll try some more 3-bar reversals as long as the higher tick charts stay bullish. Stop me out. That went too quick. That went too quick. My gosh. That's a higher... It's been making higher highs and higher lows. This will be like a lower high here, which is a completely different character of the price action. Well, hopefully it won't stop me out. We'll see. We will see. Go up fast like you've been doing. Let me stay in the trade. Go on, rascal, get up there. You know you want to go to 25,000. You know you do. You know you do. Oh, come on, buddy. Get up there. Get up there. I don't trust the red bars ignored up here at these levels. I'd rather get them on the bottom. Try to buy it on the bottom. Come on, make a higher high here. Keep trending up, keep trending up, keep trending. I need a 2-to-1 on this. Tempted to just take the 1-to-1, but keep going. That's 1-to-1. Give me a 2-to-1, please. Not asking a lot. I'm not asking a lot. 2-to-1 would be good, and I'd appreciate it, and I'd love you for it. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're trying to break somebody's heart, ain't you? It's all right. You're not breaking my heart. It's just trading. It's making higher lows. That's good. Definitely grinding up. Oh, what a pattern. It's just chipping away here. Get up to 2-to-1. I'll be glad to take it at 2-to-1. I'll be real excited about that, actually.
Turns black, no guiding light. I was lost in endless night. Waves crash high, no shore in sight. You found me.
Show them who's boss. Get up there.
My soul was adrift and torn.
Show them who's boss.
A lonely boat in a sudden storm.
Bust right through. Bust right through. Hit my target. Hit my target. Hit my target. Hit my target. Come on. Come on. Hit my target.
My anchor strong.
Hit my target. Go up there. Hit the target. Hit the target. We're not asking that much. I'm going to go to break even. Go on. Hit the target. You're almost there. You know you want to go a little higher. You know you do. Hit the target. Hit that target. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's nerve-wracking. I just want to take profit. Come on, hit the target. Hit the target. Hit the target. Hit the target. Right up a little bit. There you go.
Thoughts like whispers, demons speak. Made my spirit
I gotta make myself wait. It's developing the character that I need. I know I'm missing that character, and I'm missing that character trait of just being patient and waiting, and I gotta overcome the fear of taking a loss, and now's the time to do it. This is the training right here. This is the practice that makes it better. It doesn't matter if it fails. It doesn't matter if you keep losing. It doesn't matter if you should have taken profit. All that stuff is irrelevant. It's all irrelevant. Let it come stop me out for break even. I don't care. You know, I got to get 2-to-1 out of this. Two to one. Or break even. Here it comes for break even. Come on, a little bit more, break even. A little bit more, you're almost at break even. Come on, break even. I gotta hold it. I gotta learn to hold it. Gotta learn to hold it. I got to learn to hold it, buddy. I got to learn to hold it. That's all there is to it. I've got to learn to hold it. I've got to learn to hold it. I don't care. I don't care anymore. I've got to learn to hold it. I've got to learn to hold it. Gotta learn to hold it. Just hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. It doesn't matter if you lose it. It doesn't matter. It's on break even, so. I don't care. You don't want to stay in it if it pushes past the 50 anyway. So it's a good place to have a break even, to be honest with you, because you really don't want to stay in it if it starts coming down past your 50 and then continuing. None of these pivot levels right here pushed past, continued. And right here there's a green bar ignored. The green bar, if it pushes past, that'll be a different kind of a price action character trait. And I'd be glad to get out at break even right there. I wouldn't want to take a full loss, but since I'm on break even at that point, why not? Heck, if it goes back up, I might as well. Yeah, 2 to 1's good enough. Come on, Bubba, get up there. 2 to 1, determination. Determination, come on, get up there. Determination. Determination, get up there. Determination, buddy. Come on. Come on up there. Come on, push right on up there. Hit that target. Hit that target for me. Hit that target for me. Hit that target for me. Come on, hit that target. Go right up there and hit that target. Go ahead. Oh, I'm so tempted to take the profit. I need it to hit the target. Hit the target. Hit the target. Hit that target. Hit that target. Go right up there and hit that target. Hit that target. Oh, I see what it's fighting. There's a separate pivot over there. Yeah, if it gets over that pivot, it's definitely going to the next target. Shoot, I might as well do this then. If it passes that pivot. Go ahead. Get up there. Dang it, don't come down. It's the same level, man. The same exact level. Get up there, buddy boy. Get up there. Gotta wait. This is where mature professional traders are made, right here. Waiting for the targets, not letting emotion control you, not being concerned about taking a loss. That's what separates the boys from the men in this business. So come get me, stop me out, take a loss, I don't care. I have to learn the mature character traits of trading. If it costs me losses, that's good. That's what you got to pay. You got to pay your losses to learn. You got to sweat it out. You got to tough out the trade. You got to tough it out. And if you lose it after a long period of waiting, so what? So what? Got to build that character. Character is only built during these stressful challenges. So let's get it done.
Connection lost. Order filled.
Did it hit my order? What do you mean order filled? Oh. Get up there, boy. Get up there. Hit the target. Hit the target. Come on, you're almost there. I'll take 2-1. Get up there and hit that target. It almost a tick away, man. That happens. Let it happen. Happens to the best of us. Happens to the best of us. So it went over that. That area. It went right over that area. It's having a little trouble staying over that area. It'll get there. It's got to take out some of them sellers little at a time. That's what it's doing. It's taking out the sellers a little at a time. One tick away, that's okay. That happens to everybody. Everybody's got to go through that in trading. Got to be determined. Be determined to hold it. Don't trade emotional. Don't trade emotional. Did it hit my target? What the heck was I doing? It hit my target. It hit my target.
Order
I'm
canceled.
going to take it because it hit my target. And I'm not going to, now that it hit my target and I missed it, I'm just going to take it. But that's the only reason I'm taking it, because it did hit my target. I didn't know it hit my target. Why did I think I was moving my cotton picking target up higher, and then I decided to go back down to the original target. Yeah, see, it hit my target. If I would have left my target alone and not moved it up higher, it would have hit my target. So I'm taking this profit. I don't consider this a failure. I waited and took the profit after it hit the target. Unfortunately, my target wasn't sitting there. So we are green for the day because of this trade. That's why I wanted it to hit that target so that I would be green. Trading my P&L is not a good thing though, but that was still a reasonable trade. It was a reasonable trade for me to shoot for that target. It wasn't just because it would have made me green for the day, but that was a plus. That was a plus. Okay, we are done live streaming. God bless you. Take care. Peace.